So here's how to use Xbox Game Bar on Windows 11. First, you will need to right click the Windows icon and then go to Settings. And then in the settings, go to Gaming and then Game Bar, and then make sure allow your controller to open Game Bar is enabled. Now you can simply minimize or close this and then hold down the Windows key and G, and that should open the Xbox overlay. Then if you press escape or any button, it should close the overlay. Now let's open it again, and then you can set your device here under the mix audio. Make sure you select your headset for the output device. And now under voice, you will need to select your microphone device. And then you can set the default communication output and input as well in here. Now you can simply close this. Now to record, you can either take a capture screenshot in here, or you can record video, and then make sure you enable your mic if you want to record your voice as well. Now you can go to the settings, and then we can configure when this overlay starts. Maybe you want to show tips when start the game. Now you can enable compact mode as well, and notifications. And now under shortcuts, you can also specify which key to open the game bar and which key to take a screenshot or record the last 30 seconds of gameplay. And now you can also specify a key to start and stop recording. Also turn on or off the microphone and HDR. And you can customize many things in here. You can also silent notification sounds if you don't want to hear notification sound effects. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.